So I'm up on the roof on a chilly December day, and I don't even know what to say about this one because like this is not even close how you would flash a chimney here. I'm honestly at a loss for words. I mean, I don't know if maybe they had a, you know, I don't even know. I don't even have a smart ass comment to say. I just don't mean like this thing is like gonna leak like a sieve here. I mean like literally somebody just came up here and wrapped some sheet metal around it, put some silver ductwork tape around it. I don't even know. But anyway, so this is exactly how it's not supposed to be. So if you see this at your house, definitely gonna want to call the roofer and have him come out there and fix it.